Introducing Writing Time. What did you do? Let's show actions. Students come to school to make their brains stronger. Your brain gets stronger when you share adventures. You can share adventures with pictures, and you can share adventures with words. Some adventures are big, like hiking a mountain, and some adventures are small, like finding a ladybug. When you tell your adventure, it has a beginning, middle, and end. These parts help you tell it in the right order. Let's review. In the beginning, share who and where the adventure starts. In the middle, share what happened. What did you do? What did you see? And in the end, share what was done last and how you felt about it. Your adventure beginning is set. You shared the where and who. It's time to share the middle of your adventure. What did you do? Our small class adventure was to the school garden nearby. The teacher and students started in the room, lined up side by side. First, we walked to the garden. Then what did we see? Bright, pretty flowers, as colorful as can be. When you show these actions, draw bodies leaning with heads looking down. This will show how the kids are moving, not just standing around. Next, we picked crunchy snap peas, so fresh and so green. They were some of the tastiest peas we had ever seen. When you show these actions, draw bent arms up with a hand near the face. This will show how the kids are eating, not just taking up space. Then we carried watering cans over to the plants with care. We tipped it toward the wilted flowers that were growing there. When you show these actions, draw both arms bent and water pouring out. This will show how the kids are moving the watering cans about. The middle of your adventure tells what you did that fine day. While you explain these actions, draw bodies bent in different ways. Bend arms, bend legs, show eyes looking up or down. Draw action tricks to help your pictures move all around. Great job! Thanks for watching Kinder Romp. Hey teachers, looking for ready-to-use resources that match this video? Head over to my Teachers Pay Teachers store, Kinder Romp. Check out the link in the description below.